Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now the interviewer guys literally asked if Naledi and Umaweli are getting back together because they have released a song called, I think it's in English, it means going back home, and she was asking if they are back together, and Unaledi straight up said no. But I feel like Umaweli kind of wants to go back home, but I think like her expressions, it seems like she's not really there. It's just business as usual for her. I don't know what you guys think. Here is the video guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.
So ingoma buyele ekhaya, so khona engathi ugcine buyelile ekhaya.
Mfethu, like yabona mfethu.
What's good is good, everybody. It's your girl, the one, the only, the Neo. So standing next to me here as Unaledi and Mawelele. Hi guys, can you please tell me how you feeling today?
So excited, but a little bit nervous. Ukuthi bazo stream yini, but we're so excited ukuthi ingoma igcine iphumile. They've been waiting for it. Yeah. We're so excited ukuthi igcine iphumile. Sebeze ukusiduba manje.
How about you, sir?
I'm feeling amazing, man. You know the story. So we're just here, we're killing it, and I'm excited, man, more than anything. It's time. I love dropping music, so this is one of those. So yeah.
Siyabonga, and ngicela ukubuza, what took you guys so long ukuthi nikhiphe ngoma ngoba guys kunini silindile?
Man, honestly, like I'm logistics, you know, like in music, there's the music, le abantu abayizwayo ku TikTok, and there's the business side. Abantu abangayazi, they don't even have a clue about that. So we have to face that, and yeah, we just had to deal with a few stuffs and to see adjust so that whatever needs olayo, it looks greater and looks better, you know. So we're just working on that, but like yeah, cool ebantwini mfethu.
Okay. Can you please take me through the creative process of making this entire song, and what challenges would you guys say you encountered in making the song?
But so there were no challenges, honestly. In making this song, I feel like me and her, when we're in studio, bro, we just flow. A song just comes, but then a creative process in fact. So I just had the melody in mind because I play keys. I just played keys, and then King Lee just created a beat. King Lee is our producer. Shout out to him. And then he created a beat, and then Naledi just came with like a flow, you know, and she made out her verse, you know, and then it was the song, man. So yeah.
Can we expect anything from you guys anytime soon as a duo or as individuals?
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna drop a album next year. So keep it dates soon. Money streamers say keep.
So ingoma buyele ekhaya, so khona engathi ugcine buyelile ekhaya.
Mfethu, like yabona mfethu. People should just stream the song, you know.
Yeah.
We have to scream. Yeah, people should just stream the song, and mfethu, yeah, bajabuliswa ingoma mfethu. Yakubuyela ekhaya mfethu, so ibona next year mfethu. Mababuze after the album, you know.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mr. Ribeni, guys, once again, it's your girl, the one, the only, the Neo. And if you don't know me yet, don't worry, your favorite artist does. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please give a shout out to Yano's update.
Yo, shout out to Yano's updates.
Shout out to Yano's update.